Phoebe. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope y'all enjoyed that super cool montage. I don't know if y'all caught a little thing here and there, but let's go ahead and jump right in because I want to show off this cute little handmade junk journal that I have created here today. If you are interested in this listing, I will have it linked down below so you guys could check it out on my Poshmark closet. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. So this journal measures 6 inches across. The camera gotta move down below. There we go. 6 inches. Sorry, I'm a little off. I'm counting a little bit of the ruffles there. Approximately by 9. Let's see. Scoot you guys back up. All right. And I'm gonna also turn off these candles. They were just for aesthetic, but I don't want to start any fires. So before we proceed, all right, so let's go ahead and start here. On the spine, I have this beautiful little ruching, and I think it's so pretty and dark. I love it. I like to touch it, and it's got some cute beads down here that I received from Kara over at Kara Mia's Corner, and this is a combination of happy mails and giveaway winnings. So it's, if you see something familiar, it's probably because you gifted it to me, and I will try to do my best to mention all of the channels that have gifted me anything in the past. So this came from Carolina Bug, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And I also feature it on the back, which I think is so cute. I love the black cats, and I love how she's smiling back at us with her little broom inside of the pumpkin. It's so adorbs. And then here on the closure, this came from my mother-in-law. She gifted me a rug, and I took little pieces, little shabby pieces, and used that as the closure and then stitched all around. And this is actually scrapbooking paper that I got from Kim's Inspired Life. So if we open her up, this is featured on the inside. You have a cute little place here. You can maybe put some photo ticket or like tickets when you go to the movies and you watch maybe a scary movie. You can put some tickets there, and we got some cute little ephemera here with some journaling cards, also from Kara or Carolina Bug as well. Lots of spooky papers there from friends. And then I made this little tag here with some of this ribbon. I think this came from Not Too Shabby Chic. And this is also a pocket here. And then I did a little collage here with one of my first wax seal stamps there. And I think they came out so cute. And moving right along, I have made this little journaling card, which I found to be really cool with these beads here dangling off. And they called this the Mourning Widow. Mourning, I don't know if you could see her too well, but there's her hat, her face, and her garb. And I think that picture looks so super eerie but cool at the same time. Let me make sure I got it right. Yes, the mourning matron of the Arkham house. So I got that completely wrong, but I think that looks really cute, and it tucks right in here into this pocket with this beautiful collage and doily. And then here I have added some texture to this paper with some little black cats, which I thought went pretty well with the theme. And then here I've got some spooky paper from my book page. And here we have this cute little envelope with the jigsaw puzzle paper clip. And this flips out just like that. And you can put little goodies in there with some beautiful leaves. And then on the back, this is what you see. I put my maker stamp right behind it, all because I don't know if you might want to attach it later, whoever ends up with this cutie. You can place it wherever suits your fancy. I'll worry about that later, because if not, we'll be here forever. And then here I have this cute little handmade envelope from paper that Kara also gave me. And this opens up just like this. So you can also maybe put some pictures in here or some ephemera and for safekeeping. And that will close right up. If I can do it right on camera, I probably won't. I'll have to probably do it after. There's just a little bit for now. And that tucks into this paper clip here. And if we flip over, we have another cute little tag that I stitched around with this adorable bat. Sorry, here we go. And then maybe you can stamp something with white ink there. I think that would look really, really cool. And then a tiny little collage here at the bottom. Then we have this beautiful butterfly from a library book that was donated. And then I've got a cute little ephemera here with some more tuck spots. And then this flips out just like that for more like a photo mat, whatever. And some ledger paper. And this was my oldest son's favorite part of the journal. He likes that this flips out. So you have lots of areas to journal on. This little seed packet actually came from Kara as well. And then we have some vintage book here with this creepy looking castle building. And flipping through here, we have another back page here of that same book and some jack-o'-lanterns. And then here we have a cute little tuck spot or a belly band. And I love how this lace looks. Very, very pretty. And then my mother-in-law liked this particular page. She says that she really liked the colors of that and how cool it looked. We got some black paper here, some journaling spots, and with this cute little tab here. And then this is food dye paper that I spritzed and it turned out orange. I don't know if y'all could see that speckled look. Looks really pretty. And then here another collage, but this is a pocket, so you can store some goodies in there. And if we flip it over, that's the other side of the pocket. We have some goodies in here. So you can start off with some journaling. I'll probably end up putting a little bit more in there. And there's more ephemera throughout the journal. So a cute little journaling card. I believe this also came from Kara. And then another page from a vintage book. I really like how spooky this child looks. Isn't that kind of creepy? And you can see its face in the mirror and it doesn't look so young there, does it? Anyways, moving right along. If we flip over to this page, we have this cool bird there. It looks really cool and spooky. This here is a pocket, so you can store some goodies in there with Mr. Skeleton. And this page is upright, but you'll see further into the journal that it will look like it's upside down, but I promise I did try to put it upright. I don't know how it ended up like that, but it did. We have some beautiful lace here on the edges, and then we have some more ephemera here, a little journaling paper, some tags that my daddy gave me from his work that would have gone in the trash, but I decided to keep them, and I thought they would look great as ephemera. And then here, this is held together by these two little brads. So if you want to, you can remove them and use the scraps. And I have stamped throughout it. You can use them however you see fit. And I thought this was a great way that, just in case if you don't want to write in it, you can definitely utilize the paper. And that tucks in just like that. And then here we have a book page with some cool looking photos here. I'll get y'all a close-up of that. So this would be good for like October daily, I would say. Definitely lots of places for you to journal on. This is a little flip up. Another pretty little tab there with scrap fabric. And then I stamped here a cute little pumpkin and some spider webs with a tab. And I love this candy corn. Doesn't it look delicious? If you don't like it, sorry. I know some people enjoy it, some people don't. And we have some more goodies tucked into this pocket here for you to use. It goes in there just like that. And then we have a vellum sheet here. And then this one, I thought it reminded me sort of like a corset, and it does come undone. So I will show y'all. Of course, y'all have to tie it back, but I think it's one of those things where you can put a little secret journaling or something. Say you go ghost hunting, you don't want people to know about your adventure. So it flips open just like that. It does have a cute little pocket in here. So that looks really, really cute. Oh, and this here also has a pocket. How neat. It says trick or treat. And then happy haunting, I will tie that back up later. And if we move right along, we have this cute little fabric tab there and some more of that cat. And I love these particular book pages. They show you good tips for how to decorate for Halloween. And I figured I would mention that because it gave really good tips. You can see that those are paper bags colored. And then you can see that they placed some wine here to make it look more spooky, looks like. And maybe a candle inside, I'm not quite sure. And it looks like tombstones, doesn't it? So cute, I love it. And if we flip on the other side, you will see the other page, and you can see how they decorated with the candy corn and some cute little containers and some origami kittens hanging off of a black branch with some fake spider webs. Really cool. And then here we have a belly band, so you can tuck some really cute goodies in there. And here I used a mouse from one of the books that Pam Van E gave me. And I did a little cluster there with some stitching and a roach or bug, whatever you want to call it. And it looks like the mouse is in the tunnel, so you can tuck some goodies in there as well. And it's being held together by a paper clip. Alrighty, and then here we have some tea-dyed paper with some stitching all around. Music paper, here's a cute little pocket where you can tuck some goodies and a spider. I didn't want to make it too scary, you know, because I know some people don't like spiders. I personally don't like spiders, especially if they look realistic, but that didn't freak me out too much, so it's fine. And then here we have a little tab with a cute little DIY charm that I made, little dangle there. And here is another little tuck spot with the vellum pocket with some ephemera inside there, so you can maybe like see it as a window. Looks really cool. More journaling spaces. We are at the middle of the journal, and you can put these up or down, whichever you like. And some more journaling spaces and some cute pockets and handmade paper. Well, it looks like it's handmade paper, but it's faux handmade paper. Some more of that ruffle. I call this the Beetlejuice page just because of the stripes. I love it. And then some more music paper. And here we have a cute little tag with a flip out. And this also unties, and you can definitely open it and put some more journaling stuff in there. All right, moving right along. We have a cute owl there. I actually got that in some giveaway winnings, and I think he looks great for this page. And then here I added a cute little paper clip, and I had these weird little clasp things, and I went ahead and I put it on there, and it says Happy Halloween. And this will slip right in there with some rickrack. So cute. And here's the other side of that page where you can do some DIY decorating for Halloween. I love the origami pumpkins and cats. All right, flipping through here, this is a pocket. Some more of that vellum paper, another little pocket here with some more goodies inside for you. And I got this from my cousin Rachel. And here's some more candy corn scrapbooking paper. And I love the ruffles here. Remind me of like legs or something, like spider legs. And here we have some more journaling spots, a cute little flip out. And this, you can also tuck something cute in there as well. We're almost done, guys, I promise. Here's a tag. It says rattle with a cute little cat there. Here's the other side of the tag. And some more fun ephemera in here for you. You can tuck in there. And then flipping through here, here's that page I was telling y'all that ended up upside down some way, somehow. And then here is another creepy little page there for Halloween. It says treat list and things not to be frightened of. I like that. I thought that was really cute, and so I added it. And then here we have a lace pocket, and I love this lace. It's so wide and pretty. Some more journaling spaces, and then here is another little fun tag clipped in with this fun paper clip there, and you can also journal inside of here. Looks like an ordinary tag, but once you flip it open, it's much more than that, and I think it looks really cool. Some more of that black paper, and I don't know if you can see the sheen in it. Some more journaling spaces, a place for photos perhaps, or collaging, whichever. Some more jack-o'-lanterns, another creepy page. And her, I know she looks creepy, but I thought she added a really good touch to this journal. You know, she looks so Victorian. And then here, some more ledger, another butterfly book page, and another place for you to journal on. Some more of that page, that book page that shows you tips. And look how they carved that pumpkin. Looks really cool. It looks like a little woodland creature. This is a little flip out here. Very nice. And that is the end of this journal, you guys. Thank you so much for having come along to seeing this journaling flip through. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. And once again, if you are interested, it will be posted in my Poshmark closet that I will be linking down below. Thanks, you guys, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.